with Gary, and what's your call sign?
I'm AA6GJ.
And you are here with the ARRL, or helping out with the ARRL?
Yes, we're working with Gordon West over here and working with the instructor program for the ARRL. And we're looking to get more instructors to teach technician in general and extra class license courses. And we do it all online, at least I do. In my course, I do it all online at GaryRJohnson.org. I have 2 free classes up there, one for technician, one for general, and we also test online with exam tools. So we're trying to reinstate the ARRL's instructor program.
Awesome, awesome. And what demonstration do you have set up over here?
We have several demonstrations. We use the Slinky to talk about frequency and wavelength, because lower, longer, shorter, higher, and the students can see that correlation between frequency and bandwidth. And we also talk about, if we look down here, we can talk about radio frequency. We can see that on the meter down here. When I transmit, you can see the meter deflects. We can also see that if I cross-polarize the antenna, that one's vertical and this one is horizontal, you can see that the power drops.
Oh, wow.
And we talk about making sure that you're the right polarization for VHF, UHF communications. Many times you see them on TV doing this, and the other person is this. They've just lost almost 50% of their energy. So
that is a great instant demonstration that is very apt for kids to pick up.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, awesome. And what are the batteries over here you got?
Okay, we talk about a little bit about motors and coils.
Uh-huh.
And let's see if this one's going to work. We create this with a couple of safety pins and a magnet.
There it goes.
We talk about interaction of the permanent magnet and the inductive magnet. They react to each other, and then the motor spins.
Oh, so cool.
So we have those kinds of little demonstrations. We also do Lenz's law. Talk about inductive reactance. This is a copper tube. This is a rare earth magnet. Doesn't stick to it, does it? But what happens?
What?
Okay, the falling magnet creates a current in the inductor, and it reacts to it as it's spinning, and it tries to push it back up. They call inductive reactance, or Lenz's law.
Oh, that's awesome.
So other ways to talk about different reactances, and especially in the general class course. Also, we use a system like this, and we can talk about the potentiometer. That's in the technician class, where we have the potentiometer, and we hook it up to a battery, and we can show that the potentiometer, we can dim the light by adjusting the resistance. Okay, so all of these are Ohm's law, actually showing how it works. And then we also talk about a diode. Current is allowed through on one way, but not the other. And we can demonstrate the same thing here, where it shows that one way we have current flow, the other way we don't with a diode. So all these demonstrations are useful for, waking up their mind.
Awesome. And where do we find more information where we can help you or try to expand this program?
Okay. This is me, Gary. This is my email address at GaryRJohnson.org. All one word, GaryRJohnson.org. We have 2 free courses. We have a full general class course and a full technician class course. It's a 6-week course, and each session is between an hour and a half and 2 hours long. But we do a thing called front loading. We go through and we introduce the concept, we explain the concept, and then we go through the test and the questions, and we explain how they relate to the test questions.
Awesome.
So it's not just a ham cram. It's actually going to explain some of the concepts. So GaryRJohnson.org.
All right, thank you very much.
Okay.
Have a good Ham
pleasure.
Fest.
Thank you very much for stopping by.